Model, 1995 Volkswagen Transporter 2.0 petrol T4 Compass Motorhome needs clutch. Body, white, Motorhome. Mileage, 85,894. MOT, the 20th of August 2024. Engine, 1968 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect. Unfortunately the clutch will need replacing as it is slipping. Engine and gearbox are perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very good, interior is in nice condition, features, part service history, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.